With the help of Dr. Nicola Pellion, I finally gathered all the remedies and medicinal plants of North America and included them in one book. The most powerful remedies growing in your state. What happens if you put salt into a cabbage? Cottonwood bud oil is very effective for relieving pain and inflammation in swollen joints, carpal tunnel, and muscles. Massage the oil or salve into the affected area 3x per day. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. It includes recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 high-definition, color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. We've just printed 100 copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written, The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. This isn't available for the public yet. Only for a select few. Click the link below to see if there's still one copy reserved in your name.